So from here, these 30 sums, all these sums I will explain, and a few more, some more I will give you as a homework. So this sum you need to do. So open your copy. Afterwards, I will just, after stop sharing, I will just open the whiteboard. Open the whiteboard. Why whiteboard is needed? You will understand now only. Now I am telling you one thing here only, that while I am writing, don't try to rush to writing, okay? Because you know what, from here, I will show, make you understand the sum first. Then only you will start writing. For writing, I will give you some time for the times for writing, okay? So today we are doing CW, give CW, and today's date 34/21, and we are doing the sums of page 9. So here you will just write page 9, okay, in the top. So first sum 38, okay, 38 sum centimeter, and we will leave some space and we will write kilometer. Why we will leave some space, I will make you understand now only. Don't copy the sums below now. I will make you understand. I hope that everyone has done. Each of the sum is having the separate, each of the sum is having the separate kind of answers. So I will explain all those things, only then I will just and below that we will write that 32 kilometer and 40 centimeter. After that 15 kilometer and 80 centimeter. Okay, we are just doing the addition over here. After that 0, 0, it's okay, fine. After that, here in your book, answer is given wrong. What I am telling, answer is given wrong. Because centimeter to kilometer, after that what is there? Over here, many units are there. What units are there? Milli, centi, deci. After that meter. After that King Henry died unusually drinking chocolate milk. So 4 units are there in between, right? So 4 plus 8 is 12. 2 will sit over here. That carry on one is a carry on. That one cannot go to kilometer. Here in book, the answer is written that one is carry on over the kilometer and just the normal addition. No, we will not do that. We will do what? One, we will just put in the decimeter place. We will write 1 over here. After that, here in the kilometer part, the normal addition. So 47 kilometer, 1 decimeter and 20 centimeter. This will be your answer. One cannot jump towards its left so many steps together in one sum. If the sum is given like that, supposing in your decis place and in your centimeter place, the sum is given like that, 42, 40 and 15, 80. That time the normal carry on will happen. Means here 1, here after adding 48 and 48 deci and 20 centimeter. But here the carry on cannot be happen like that. Okay, what happened, Oishi? What happened? Yes, tell me. I hope that all of you understood. Yes, tell me.
Ma'am, I cannot hear you.
Rest of the students, Sushnata, you can't hear me. Sushnata, unmute yourself. You cannot
Ma'am,
hear
I can
me.
hear you properly.
Oishi, I hope I am
Ma'am,
thinking
now
that.
can you hear me? Ma'am, now she can hear you.
Yes. Oishi, do one thing. I think in your end, net is doing problem. Off your video. Off your video, then only you can just listen to me very nicely. I'm giving you only the permission to off the video. Okay. So on the next sum, we will be moving on the next sum. Next sum is, I'm just cleared my drawings. I hope that everyone understood. So next sum is given what? Next sum is very easy, liter and milliliter. And after that, 4, 5, 0 and 1, 2, 0, and in the liter part 24 and 31 plus. Now here carry on is not there, but if carry on is there, here the normal carry on can happen because this is ml, the last digit will sit on ml. Here centiliter will sit. Here deciliter will sit. But here no, not written, so we will not write those things. We will write like that only the ml. So after that, while we will do the addition will be normal. 4, 7, 5. After that, 5 and 5. So the answer will 555 liter and 570 ml. This will be the answer. Suppose I am giving you one more sum. Similar problems I am giving you with carry on. Similar problem I'm giving you with carry on. Suppose in the liter space it is 10 and in the ml place it is 990 and it is 1 liter and 100 ml. Now here you can see 90 up to 90, okay. 9 and 1 while we are adding, it will become 0 and that carry on will be directly put, we can write on the top of the liter. So here this will 112 and 12 liter 90 ml. Because ml after that this is centiliter, this is deciliter and after that liter. That is why this carry on can be directly, we can put on the liter space. So write those sums very fast. Then only we will move to the next sum. Then only we will move to the next sum. What happened, Anju? Unmute yourself.
Hello, ma'am.
Hmm.
Ma'am,
Your voice is break. Voice
is
broke.
32, 40, there is 48, and there is 48 answer, no? If you write 20, 47.
Previous one.
Yes, ma'am.
Previous sum. Answer is
Yes, ma'am.
given wrong. Answer was given wrong. Answer is given wrong. And why I already explained. Okay, if you don't understood these things, do one thing. This video I will upload in the YouTube. Just turn on the YouTube. I will give you the link also in your chat section and in your video section. From there you will check why this is the wrong answer your book has provided. Rest of the students understood. Rest of the student understood. Ashia understood.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Onkit understood. Onkit, why you raised your hand? Understood. Bonashri understood. Bonashri
No,
understood.
ma'am, I can't understood that. Understand that.
You
No,
can't
ma'am, I
understand.
can't. Yes, ma'am. I have a problem.
Okay. Again, I'm just repeating. Wait for a while. I need to find out that sum. I'm just stopping my share. These two sums are very easy. Rest of the sums are easy. Only the first sum is a little bit difficult to understand. Because what they are telling, what I am telling, you are not understanding those things. Better to keep it for a keep it on a pause for a while. No need to do. Just cross it on your book. 30A sum. Later, if syllabus is completed, later if I am getting some time, I will explain this sum. 30A, you just cross for an hour. If you understood also in your classwork copy, just strike through. Strike through means what? Strike through means you just cut it. No need to just do that sum for now. If I'm getting the time, I will just explain it later. That time I will just, you can just do. The answer is given wrong in your book, but I am telling you. Why, if you understood after some days, you will also can understand. I hope that everyone done. So next two sum you try to do by yourself. Rupees sum is very easy. Also kilometer and meter sum is easy. No problem is there. No carry on is also there. Okay, these two sum you will do after a while. I will show. After a while I will show. Okay. After a while I will show the answer. Meanwhile, I am going to give you the attendance. So no need to just upper your hand, because you know while you are up means just raising your hand. Vanashri, don't, why you are raising? Yes, Vanashri, unmute yourself and tell.
Yes, ma'am.
Class. Okay, E and F sum I am doing. E and F sum I am doing 30E. 30E is given what? Kilometer and in meter. The sum has given. So 418. After that 124 meter. Okay, my internet connection is unstable. My sister is doing something. I hope so. And 416. After that, very simple sum. Carry 1. So carry on, you will write like that. 3 and 4, 5 meter. And how much kilometer? 8 and 4 are 12. 1. This is carried. That is why we write like that. 732 kilometer and 540 meter. After that, the F sum. F sum is very easy. That is on rupees and paisa. That is on rupees and paisa. So 45 rupees and 25 paisa. Here nothing, no conversion, nothing is needed. Very easy. If in paisa something is carry over, that will come directly to the rupees. So 50 paisa. Now here no carry on sum is given 5, 7 paisa, and here 10. 1 is carry on, right like that. 6 and 7, 70 rupees 70 and 75 paisa. Now here I want to share you one good story about our sign rupees. Okay, previously our sign was written as RS rupees. Now it is written as like that. Why you know? Because this is raw in Devanagari, that is in Sanskrit, and these parallel lines are actually it means representing our national flag. That is why India has adopted this sign as a rupees, and this is designed by one professor of Guwahati IIT. Okay, and he got a prize of 50,000 rupees just for to draw, means for to making this sign. Okay, I hope that you all have enjoyed the class and a little bit extra information you got, that why we are writing the rupees like that. Ra represent the in Devanagari, means in Sanskrit. Okay, and this is representing our national flag, the parallel lines. That is why we have adopted this sign. Okay, so the class will end in any time. You just try to write those things fast. Okay. Any day in the attendance regarding any kind of problem is happening. So in the class only, I will give you the attendance. You can just tell me over there only. Okay. So no need to worry about anything. So bye today, everyone. Class will be ending in any time. Just
Bye,
you
ma'am.
do. Oh, when the class will end, it will be end. Okay, okay. Bye, bye, bye.
Bye, ma'am. Bye, ma'am.
Okay, here GHI, 3 sums are there. 30 means 30, 3 sums are there. GHI. Here, these 3 sums are your homework. Okay, these 3 sums only are your homework, and minus also. Minus also is your homework. I will just update the number, what sums you can do. Okay, accordingly, you will just do. Okay, bye everyone. I'm just stopping the share, and I am just unmute you all so that you can say me a goodbye and also stop